RIOTEC. Since 2002. Scan your needs.
A professional barcode scanners and scanning modules manufacturer. Headquarter and production lines are located in New Taipei, Taiwan. Full range of barcode scanner products and marketed to 92 countries. RIOTEC patented laser barcode scanner is implemented in advanced optical laser technology. With superior speed and decoding, they outperform standard scanners, offering reliable solutions. RIOTEC products application. Industry coverage. Retail, warehousing, industrial and manufacturing, transportation and logistics, ticketing, healthcare, commercial. Small size barcode engine. Installed in healthcare equipment. And also offers excellent performance on some DPM codes. Installed in tablets and industrial PDAs for data collection. Installed in self-service kiosks. Installed in MRT gate. Installed in vending machine. Mini fixed mount barcode scanner, ideal for AGVs. Support fast scan. Fixed mount 2D barcode scanner, your ideal options to automated manufacturing. Support fast scan and quick scan. Rugged barcode scanner. Long-range scanning, reading 100 mm barcodes from distance of up to 6 meters. Stationary barcode scanner. Perfect for fast and accurate scanning at retail checkout counters. Motion tolerance 3 meters per second. Mobile barcode scanner. Transform your mobile device into a data collector for inventory and logistics. Wearable barcode scanner, pocket barcode scanner combined with gloves. Enables quick scanning for mobile workers while keeping hands free. By requested, we also can support OCR code and DPM code reading. Our R&D capabilities have earned multiple awards, ensuring top quality products. Welcome OEM and ODM. Discover more on our website.